Welcome to week 3 of the Chore Coat Quilt Along. This week we are attaching the collar to our coat. I have my interfacing here. I'm going to cut 2 pieces and then I'm going to show you how to sew the collar together. Here are my 2 collar sections with the interfacing. I'm going to place them right sides together, take my clips. I'm going to sew these 3 sides. Here is my collar. Now I like to clip off these corners like so, and even trim a little bit of this excess off. Turn the collar right side out. Top stitch around the edges. I have my collar top stitched. Now before I do anything with the collar, I'm going to take the body of my coat and create my button or snap placket. I'm going to take one of my front panels, press a 1/4 inch like this. I'm going to go and press this down first, stitch this 1/4 inch turn under down. I'm going to fold it back over and stitch this little section right here. My button plackets are finished. Now we attach the collar. Eventually we're going to unfold this section. However, I like to leave it inside out while I'm putting on my collar. I do better getting my collar to the right place and then fold it under. Once the collar is attached, take your collar, take your clips, place your collar on the neckline, right sides together. Clip the edges first, get it right up where you want it, next to that button placket. And then fill it in with lots and lots of clips. I have my collar clipped on. I'm going to sew my seam right here and I'll show you how to flip it under and enclose your raw edges. You have your collar attached like so. If you would like, you can trim some of this excess right here that's under your collar. Take your collar, fold it to the inside of the coat, clip it down. Go ahead and sew my 1/2 inch seam. Here's the 1/2 inch seam we just sewed. I'm going to take that collar, roll it to the outside, and there you have it. I like to clip this little edge off each one of my button plackets. Turn them right side out. You're going to stitch that down, and you can see how well that lays right up next to the collar. Next step, we're going to be putting on our pockets. I'm going to show you how to do a bias binding, and we'll keep going.